What is SquirrelTemp? SquirrelTemp is a folder that contains temporary files related to Squirrel, a framework commonly used for managing application updates on Windows. Squirrel is designed to allow developers to push updates to their applications automatically without requiring the user to manually download and install updates. It's often used by Electron-based apps like Slack, Discord, or Visual Studio Code. Purpose of the SquirrelTemp folder: 1. Temporary files for installation and updates. The SquirrelTemp folder holds files that Squirrel uses when installing, updating, or removing software. These temporary files are usually deleted after the update or installation process completes, but they can sometimes remain in the folder. 2. Location. The folder is usually located in the user's AppData directory. See /users /YourUsername /AppData /local /SquirrelTemp3. Squirrel's functionality. Squirrel handles automatic updates by downloading the new version of the application to this folder and then running the update process. It allows apps to update in the background without disrupting the user experience. Is SquirrelTemp safe? Yes, SquirrelTemp is generally safe and not harmful to your system. It is simply a location where temporary files related to application updates are stored. However, over time, the folder might accumulate unused files, so it's safe to delete the contents if the folder is consuming unnecessary space. When can you delete SquirrelTemp? When not in use. If you notice that your SquirrelTemp folder contains a large amount of data and the application isn't updating or installing at the moment, you can safely delete the files inside. Temporary nature. Since the files are temporary, they are not crucial once the installation or update is complete. If you're dealing with this folder and it's consuming significant space, clearing it will not harm your apps, but you should avoid deleting it while an update is in progress.